So this is 2025 KCSE Mathematics Paper 1, question number 1. And this is section A, or section 1, which consists of 50 marks, consists of 16 questions. These are questions from Form 1 and Form 2. So this first question we are saying, without using a mathematical table or calculator, evaluate. So you are not supposed to use a mathematical table, and if you use, then the examiner will be able to find out. So you are supposed to get to use the board mass. Once you use the board mass, then here you use you have division, we have a minus, and then you also apply the knowledge of the LCM. So you start by saying from board mass, we don't have bracket, we don't have off, but we have division. So what we do, we can write this equation, expression as 11 over 12 minus 1 over 3, and then we write this 1.5 in improper form. It will be 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, and we change the sign to minus, so it will be 2 over 3. It will be 2 over 3. This will be, let's correct that. So it will be 2 over 3. So we say this is equals to the square root of 11 over 12. You minus this, when you multiply, you get it is 2 over 9. It is 2 over 9. Then 2 over 9, you need to get the LCM of 12 and 9, which will give us the LCM is 36. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. 3 multiplied by 11, you get 33 minus 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, that will give us 8. So this is going to give us that the 3 minus 8, that's going to give us 25. You divide by 36, and we have the square root sign there. So when you get the square root of 25, you get it is 5, and when you get the square root of 36, you get it is 6. So that is the expected answer, and by doing that, then you get 3 marks. So remember, this is a question you cannot afford to fail, because it is the kind of questions that would boost your marks. So that's how you do that. Before we wind up, I would like you to join our WhatsApp. In this WhatsApp, we have daily math questions, free live classes, we have PDF notes, we give you marking schemes, we give you predictions, we have voice note explanations, and you also deal with your homework. If you have homework, you can always send it to our WhatsApp, and we will be able to sort out. So let's go to question number 2.